It's been quite gloomy today with a warning of code orange. If you're not from the Netherlands, code orange is the second strongest alert issued by KNME, or the Royal Netherlands Meteorological Institute, that everyone has to prepare for a weather situation that could cause harm or injury. It's just like pag-asa in the Philippines. Code orange can produce as much as 100 to 120 kilometers per hour wind. I've made a few videos portraying how the Dutch weather can be so fickle-minded in the past. The sun is up at one moment, and a few seconds later, it's raining so hard. I was actually tempted to fly up the drone when the dark clouds was just about to pound its way to the air. But you know me, I'm always careful. I did not want to risk losing my drone yet, not after less than a year of having it. I've always heard jokes about life in the Netherlands, of almost being picture perfect. They have the happiest kids in the world. The Netherlands ranks highly in terms of happiness, quality of life, the freedom that everyone is so fond of, and so much more. I guess the Dutch have nothing to complain about. Except for one: the Dutch weather.